Good morning, students. I'm so excited to share this resource with you. I actually use it in the classroom every year. It's not as good as Miss Kuwatani's library, but it's kind of like the Netflix of books, and it has books from TK to 8th grade. So I want to walk you through how to log in for the first time and maybe how to search for a book of your choice that you like. So I added a shortcut for Epic on Clever. You can write this code down or copy and paste it from the handout I gave you. Oops, it's this one. But let's go ahead and launch it. Usually after you log in the first time, you don't have to keep typing in this code, but the first time you do. Okay, so I'm going to type in my code and push go. And this is my class, so I'm going to pretend I'm London today. And click on this profile, and it says pin. So you use the teacher pin given to you. It doesn't always have a pin, but I put pins on so that your profile is protected, because sometimes you can change your avatars and you want to make sure that no one plays with your profile. Okay, so in this I want to show you some of the parts here. So for you, AR, comics, read to me, audiobooks. Now, audiobooks are awesome, but if you're doing AR, reading the words is actually going to really improve your vocabulary and your fluency. So even though audiobooks are amazing, and there's a lot of Goosebumps books and everything like that, I highly recommend during AR time that you actually read a book with words, because otherwise you're just listening, and that's another skill, but we're going to be working on our reading skill. So I'm going to click on AR. And here's some of the books they recommended to me. And I could, if I expand this a little bit, there's a little arrow and it just keeps going. But maybe I'm in the mood for a scary story. I might type that there. Here's all the scary stories. And there's a bunch of audiobooks. It tells me if it's an audiobook or if it's just a paper book. And I want you to notice something. I can select by the level it is. So I really don't care about kindergarten books if I'm a 5th grader, but I could read like 4th and 5th grade books, and that would be a good challenge for me. Maybe a really high student, you could say 6th grade too, but probably 4th and 5th if you're a 5th grader. Maybe you know that there is a book you're looking for, like Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I can click on that and read it if I want to. And this is the books they have in the series. They don't have all of them. They have to buy a license for each of these. So there is about 20 or 30,000 books in this library on Epic, but they don't have every book. But it's better than nothing. One last thing I really want to show you before I talk about Epic is my library in the top right hand corner. So maybe one day you're reading and then you have to leave and you want to come back later and read that book that you found. So you click on my library, you click on recent, and then the books that you read will all appear right here with everything that you've read. And it usually leaves off on the page you're at. Some of the students I've had in the past said for the audiobooks that they don't save, but I think if you stay on that account it does. So they don't use my guest, use your own account. There was 2 last things I wanted to say. Read to me is pretty awesome if you want the story read to you. And over here it tells you the AR level. So this is 3.1. That means this is a 3rd grade level book. And when I push the play button,
Chapter 1. Show and tell.
The words pop out at me, so it's kind of cool. But remember to try to get a book that's your level, because just like exercise, if I'm trying to learn how to run a mile and I only run for 2 minutes, I'm not training myself to run a mile. I'm only running a little bit. So try to give yourself that extra challenge so that you're actually ready for 6th grade, my 5th graders, or whatever grade you're going to be in next year. But I hope you enjoy Epic. I wish I had it when I was a kid. I'm so jealous. You guys are getting all kinds of cool stuff. Have a great day.